go. I can make this turn. This is a little weird, but I got to angle out as far as I can. Good. I had to wake this guy up. I could not make the turn where he would park. So, you know, I don't like waking drivers up, but sometimes you just do not have a choice. You have to, you know, I get it. The roads are crap. They're parking anywhere they can. I understand that, but some of us got to go to work tonight. I mean, it's a shitty situation. I understand. I get it. Between the highway being shut down for multiple hours due to a crash, and now chain law being up, you know, people are having to jam in anywhere they can, and, you know, I don't blame them, but I can run chains. I'm going to run chains tonight, according to the state of Colorado.
Turn right on 22 Road.
And I'm fine with that. You know, if you're not able to, or you're not comfortable to, and you are in a truck stop that's completely jammed up like this, and you just kind of have no choice but to make a spot, try to be understanding if somebody is trying to get out and wakes you up. Yeah, I'm not upset with the guy. I understand. A lot of these drivers, you know, it's a hard predicament to be in. Like Mercer, he got just beautiful timing. I was finishing up my pre-trip when he came around, and so chatting with him, so he was able to take my spot as soon as I pulled out.
Turn left at the traffic light.
Yeah, you really have to be careful in Colorado or Utah or anywhere that deals with snow and ice. You never want to outdrive. I'm comfortable with it. I've done this for a very long time. I'm comfortable with the conditions. I'm comfortable with what I know. But I am understanding to drivers that maybe either are not comfortable with it, don't have the same level of experience with it, maybe their company policy doesn't allow them to
on the
snow
left
change,
to
whatever it
I-70
is.
toward Denver.
I mean, I do understand it, and I am patient to it when they're parked anywhere and everywhere they can. You know, I don't like waking people up. I really don't, but I know I was not going to make that turn, so I had no choice but to wake that driver up. It's unfortunate, it sucks, but, you know, it is what it is.
Take the ramp on the left to I-70 East toward Denver.
I'm not overly thrilled about having to throw snow chains tonight. That's kind of a pain in the ass that I'd prefer not to deal with, but, you know, it is what it is. Do what I gotta do. Take my sweet old time and get it done safe. Are they sliding over? They are. Okay. Coming up, and the bridge. I'm on one of the bridges. Go through the tunnel, I'll pop out on another bridge. And you can see just how icy it is inside of this tunnel. I know this bridge over the Colorado River here, that would be real icy. I'm just going to take my sweet old time, keep my speed down and stay safe, or as safe as I can. Definitely reduce the risk of something happening by slowing down. And risk is never zero, but you can make it a little bit better, a little bit less of a risk if you just slow down a bit. It's going to be all night like this. That does not look like a snowplow up here. Those emergency lights do not look like snowplow. That looks like there might have been a little bit of a fuck up. What's that? Are those emergency lights? That's another wreck up here? no idea which lane is affected right this moment. All I know is I'm going to slow down. I'm in the process of slowing down now. Got the hazard lights on. Be down about 20 miles an hour, a little less. Going to go ahead and lock in my differential. I think they're on the, I don't know where they are honestly. Right shoulder, left. See, those are on the right. Sneak by here. Yes, I can. Okay. And this is what happens when you drive way too fast. Ouch! I'm not trying to drive stupid fast. And there's a fine line. And I will sometimes flirt with it. I never want to cross that line. Now I'm going to slow down again a little bit just because I got somebody passing me. And I want to give them some room in case they start to slide. I want to give myself enough room to stop in case these vehicles that are trying to pass me get a patch of ice, spin out in front of me. I want to have enough room to be able to stop on this ice without hitting them.
Time can never be your trusted friend or your sworn ally. No, it's the harshest mistress of all. And life is just a chain of moments spent, 1,000 hellos and goodbyes. Maybe a love like ours can lead out its call. Seasons come and pass, one after the last, and along we go. The shifting pull of the tides never sleeps. But if I had a boat and oceans to cross, then I would sail them. Since I have this promise to keep, I will keep you near until the world ends and you are safe with me. Until the world ends and I will stay with you until the world
Saturday joyride, Percy Beast is the spot. We're on a boat, we're feeling fine, drinking Tennessee whiskey, a big blue sky. We're going up, we're coming down. There's a party on the water, it's a hell of a time. We're on a boat.
Time to go throw snow chains. This is gonna be fun. Been a while since I've done this. First time this season. Last year I chained up quite a bit going over I-70 in Vail. So let's get to it.
Yeah, we're chilling out here, ladies in the rear, our feet in the water, our top disappears, drinking Malibu Patron or a beer in a cup. Girl, I can hook you up. We all get to dance and I get to chancing, kissing that country girl, romancing, a whole lot of love, bumping out of the bar. Yeah, we're on a boat, we're feeling fine, drinking Tennessee whiskey, a big blue sky. We're going up, we're coming down. Here's the feeling, alright. It's a hell of a time. We're on a boat, we're killing time in our own honky tonk, beneath the big blue sky. We live it up, we got it down. Here's the feeling, alright. It's a hell of a time. And I'm falling for a small town girl. So kiss me, darling, rock my world, rock my world, rock my world. Yeah, now it's a hell. We're on a boat, we're feeling fine, drinking Tennessee whiskey, a big blue sky. We're going up, we're coming down. There's a party on the water, it's a hell of a time. We're on a boat, we're killing time in our own honky tonk with a bottle of wine. We're going up, we're coming down. Cheers to feeling alright. It's a hell of a time, a hell of a time. It's a hell of a time. Oh, hell of a
Life's a coat of many colors. It is never black and white. Can't have one without the other.
I'm edgy to hold 20 to 21 miles an hour, but holy crap, that's a fight. Funny thing is, it doesn't really matter how many times over the years or in one day it happens. it dropped all the way down to 15 miles an hour on me. It's like, oh, hell no. I'm getting warning, caution and warning lights popping up for tractions. Like, shit, I need to get to the snowbank. Now I'm back to 20 miles an hour. Oh, holy crap. I would like to be going a little faster than this, but I'm just too damn heavy. 30 miles an hour, I'd be much better off with these tractions. I'd have a little more momentum to work with and not have to worry about coming to a stop on the damn hill.
If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more content like this, do me a favor. Hit the like button and smash that subscribe button. Greatly appreciate it. Thank you.